inspires everyone. Every child is a masterpiece. Our vision is to generate more confident, more expressive, more empowered human race. And we know that healthy competition brings out the real Surma and a true brilliant mind. We are searching the brightest gems, the sparkles in India, the most talented, who has the trainable mind, who could be groomed and trained to become the future power, to hold hands and to carry the culture of human compassion and contribution on the path of ultimate success and growth. Language is important to express self, to channelize the emotions, to create unbreakable bonds, to manifest big business, and to shape up a sustainable career. We provide both language and environment. Since 7 years, after conducting so many successful events, workshops, and seminars, all the amazing responses of the people we trained, that is, the students, the teachers, the corporate executives, we widened our horizons throughout India with the power of training on academics, skills, concepts, memory, communication, and personality. And this time, we are bringing our biggest intellectual event India have ever experienced. Battle of Minds, Brilliant Mind, ULINK 2020. ULINK 2020 is all about you. Yes, you. Means all about a student linking, connecting from his own self. ULINK 2020 will give this time student a platform to harness their creativity, concepts, and expression in English language. With this competition, we will choose the students with fast and quick response, clear concepts of grammar, high focus concepts and clarity of English as a language, and lastly, who are naturally, positively expressive. Every year, more than 1 million students participate in such kind of holistic, mind-stimulating challenges worldwide to improve their personalities, their communication, and their concepts. Now, it's time for India. All the very best.